segment for Pappy's Corner coming up.
Yeah!
I'm going to show you
Tools. Yeah, you guessed it. Tools. I'm going to show you the tool table from the Rod and Custom Show at the QCCA Expo Center. Here's a bit of voiceover. There's some tool kits, taps, all kinds of kits here, wrenches, sanding discs, all kinds of sanding discs, buffers, grinding discs. There's a handy little LED light. I'm going to look at it later. Zoom in on it when I get over there. There's some more grinding discs. Oh, there's some socket organizers. Some straps. And the prices weren't too bad. Some were actually pretty good. And a couple of tools I thought, well, I could buy them at Harbor Freight, you know. There's a 5-piece slide hammer gear. And here's a jumbo set of snap ring pliers. And they got some click torque wrenches here. The 1/2 inch was $25 and the 1/4 inch and 3/8 click torque wrench for $20. Some magnetic dishes, air pressure gauges, some crow's feet, miscellaneous wire cutters of sorts. Rounding the end of the table here. Some air nozzles. Pretty long ones there. And there's some various bits, pry bars, and more bits. Those are torque sockets, I believe. More wrenches, screwdrivers, pliers, magnetic base indicator holder. And here's some power tools coming up. The grinders and other various air tools, sanders, drills. A lot of brands here I've never heard of. But I have heard of these. Channel lock. They're made in the United States, the good old USA. They have all kinds of pliers and side cutters, and snips, and I noticed they even have an adjustable wrench there. What was that, $18 or $20? So yeah, when you buy American, you pay $1 or $2 extra, but it's for a good cause. There's more pliers, Channel Lock brand, oil filter wrenches, Channel Lock pliers, some more socket organizers here, all kinds of those. And here's a little zoom in on the light, 600 lumen LED light. I thought they were kind of quaint. And all kinds of bits for your drills. Just about any kind of bit you could ever need. And there were some cheap pliers and wire cutters there, the red handled ones. There's some more clamps here, Vice Grip brand. That's for long reach on those. specialty vice grips when you need it. So yeah, I'll be around in the corner here and wrapping up the Rod and Custom show. Remember, do something nice for someone today. Love ya.